Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I provide review content, hauls, and unboxings of tech, clothes, and food, and I may throw in a few review mukbangs. I ask that you do one quick favor. If you can hit that subscribe button below, hit that bell to be notified. I only drop one video once a week. That's every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern time. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for coming back. And if you are returning and have not yet to subscribe, go ahead and do that as well. As you can see in front of me, I am going to unbox the Samsung smarttag. I picked this up during Amazon Prime Day, and it was on sale for $17.99. Now they're running about $29.99 on Amazon. Like I do all my reviews, I'm going to look around the packaging, and then we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing. As you can see, it's a plain white box with the little hang tag at the top. Simple smart tag lettering. You get one in the black, and it has Samsung at the bottom. On the side, it has a picture of a dog, a picture of luggage, and a picture of keys. Now, if you don't know what a smart tag is, it's a little device that allows you to track items. So you can put them on your keys, and if you ever forget where you place your keys, you can just go on to the app and it will tell you exactly where your keys are. And I will get into more of that later in this video. And on the back, you just have some information here. Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag, Bluetooth tracker, item locator for keys, wallets, luggage, pets, and more. And like I said, it's one pack, black, US version, and this will only work for Samsung devices. And you have Galaxy on the other side, and on the bottom, Bluetooth and some icons there. So a really simple box, nothing fancy, straight to the point. Now let's go ahead and take this smart tag out of the box. You may have seen other smart tags out there, like the towel and the AirTag for Apple products. I have Samsung products, so it was only right for me to get these Samsung smart tag. Now it runs off of Bluetooth, and you do have to have Android 8.0 and higher, and with 2 gigs of RAM in order to use this. Alright, so out the box you get the quick start guide. This is the EI T5 300, and it's the Galaxy Smart Tag, Samsung brand in here. And you open it, and it is front and back, black and white, regular paper. Okay, so nothing fancy with the quick start guide. I know some items I have reviewed on this channel, they provided a nice quick start guide on nice shiny paper with color. But this here, I mean, since it's just a simple smart tag, you really don't have to be too fancy with the quick start guide. So quick start guide here, and here is the tag. Okay, as you can see here, you have a hole where you can put this on a keychain, loop it onto your luggage or your dog, or any other item you may want to track. You have some Samsung branding here. It says Galaxy Smart Tag, and on the back it says Samsung. Really small, really light in the hands, made very well. It feels like it was made with good material. Now this smart tag does come in different colors. You can get it in the black, which I have here. You can get it in the oatmeal color, which is kind of like a off-white color. And you can also get it in a gray. You can get a 1-pack or a 2-pack as well. Now you will have to use the SmartThings app in order to track whatever you're trying to track. With the Galaxy Smart Tag, you are able to track items up to 130 yards. And you can also track those items if your phone is offline. And you can also control various smart home items with this tag using the SmartThings app. So there's a good use for this. Comment down below if you have bought a Galaxy Smart Tag and what did you use to tag it with. Was it your keys? Did you put it on your dog? I never thought of using a smart tag to put on my dog. I will definitely be using this to put on my keys, or maybe in your car. Like say if you're at like a big shopping mall, you could not remember where you parked your car. I think this would be a good option for that as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up and we're going to see exactly how well this Samsung Smart Tag work. Alright, so get this to connect. I will need to press the A button, which is actually where it says Galaxy Smart Tag. So I'm going to press that now. So in order to get the Smart Tag set up, we're going to have to open the SmartThings app on your Samsung device. I'm going to be using my S9. I recently just bought a Samsung Galaxy 21. That is what I'm filming with today. So we're going to use this S9. So what I'm going to do is open up the SmartThings app here, and I pressed the button here where it has Galaxy Smart Tag. Okay, and it found the Smart Tag, so I'm going to add now. And it's getting everything ready. Use location information, detail, and hit agree. Okay, and as you see, it's connecting. Press the button on the center of the Smart Tag here. It's getting all the information. And this seems very simple, very easy to do, and I like that. Okay. All right, and you can change the name, but I'm just going to leave it as Smart Tag. Hit done. Okay. It says ring your tag to help you find it. When your tag is nearby, you can make it play a sound so it's easier to find, all right? And there we go. It is connected. Okay, hope we got an update. It says start a smart routine by pressing the button on your tag when it's near your phone. I'm going to let that update and I'll be right back. The Samsung Smart Tag has updated, and this is what the app looks like. It lets you know that it's connected. You can view the map, and you can find your device. So it says double press the button on your tag to make your phone ring. So I'm gonna open that and let's see how that works here. Say if you had this on your keys and you couldn't find your phone, you would double tap the smart tag, and there it is. It would make your phone ring as I just showed you. Therefore, you can find where your phone is. So that's nice to have as well. It says you can turn on the lights with your tag. I don't have any smart light bulbs in the house, but I may go purchase some to do a video and see how that works together. Okay. And you can change the ringtone and things like that. So let's see here. If you click this here, it's going to show you exactly where the smart tag is. It will give you the exact address, in which I'm not going to press that because I do not want people to know where I live. So just know if you press this, and if I can find an example online, I will put it in this video, exactly how it looks, but it does show you exactly where the smart tag is and the exact address as to where the smart tag is. So pretty simple, to the point. I think this would be great to have, especially for someone who is forgetful. If you travel, and if your luggage, I know y'all seen where there was a whole bunch of luggage that was lost. You'll be able to find your luggage. If your dog is one to run out the door, you will be able to find it. Even you can connect these to your Galaxy Buds on the case, and you'll be able to find those as well. So I think this is great to have. You will need a Galaxy phone. You will need to have SmartThings app on the phone. Comes in different colors. You can get a 1-pack or a 2-pack. I did purchase this during Amazon Prime Day. So this has been my review of the Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag. If you have yet to subscribe and you made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please make sure you like, comment, and share this video with each and every one you know. Please comment down below if there is something you would like for me to review. Now, I am a small YouTuber. I don't have money like that, but if it's reasonable, I would consider reviewing it for you all. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.